So Diwali is round the corner. The surrounding is full of freshness and vibrance. The people are overjoyed. Everyone's hoping that the festival of lights is supposed to bring some quality and enhance their lives in the worst of the times the country is facing. As you all must be aware that on the holy day of Diwali, Lord Rama completed his exile of 14 years in the forest and finally returned to his homeland Ayodhya. We celebrate this day to mark this beautiful event by lightening our homes and workplaces, hoping that Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, blesses us in our lives. But hey, let's not just be immersed in the festival, but let's be socially responsible. This video is not just about the description of Diwali, but what can be our efforts towards betterment of one and all on this holy occasion. The first and foremost thing I would like to point out is the environmental cost. Please be conscious of what are you doing. It's nothing but Deepavali, that is a series of diyas. Artificial lights are the worst form of abuse that we do to our culture. There is absolutely no need of using them. No history, no cultural proofs. It is nothing but the impact of Western world on our culture. Violent messages on WhatsApp won't save your culture, but your legitimate steps towards everyone's good definitely will. Lighten up the diyas as much or as less you can, but place a big no to artificial lights and wasting electric power, considering the low availability of coal. But even if you can't resist to use them, please use the Made in India version. This is a controllable. It is not easy to boycott Chinese technologies considering how advanced and cheap they are, but replacing the lights with our own country's production is surely a great move. Remember, the best option is obviously to support the small businesses of our country. The next big thing to keep in mind is the air pollution caused by crackers. Literally, you are just wasting your time and money on something that will produce some shrill, loud, rough noise and take a toll on environment and will also make sure that your life expectancy goes down. There is a strict no-no for those already living in areas with low air quality, but those who are in safe zones, you also don't want your region to get contaminated, right? What we have done is that we are just following the crowd. We do what others do. We do what is in the fashion, but that's not for which high levels of evolution of this exceptional human mind has occurred. Question every questionable, then you will be able to gain clarity and easily bypass these temporary pleasures. One more very important point I would like to elaborate is that be immersed in your work. Yes, everyone is overjoyed, enjoying every bit of Diwali, but if you want to achieve something extraordinary, you will have to go extreme. Midway is a myth. Either you enjoy or you work. And I surely want you to continue with what is most important for you. Please don't get distracted by such occasions. This country is needy of your actual support. So keep working in that direction. I know 99.9% of the people would ignore whatever I have said, but this video is for those 0.1% of the people who have the courage to go past the limitations. In the end, I would like to say that no festival, no occasion is worth more than your time. Lord Rama has completed his Vanvas. You have not even started. Please be socially responsible. Keep working. Wish you a very happy Diwali in the end. You have to make it prosperous. So that's all with the video, guys. I hope you liked my efforts. If yes, please show your support by subscribing the channel and sharing the video. These are two very important playlists which you must refer. I'm available in the comment section for your doubts, suggestions or feedback. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, goodbye.